to get my sub. Time to get my sub.
Hi ma'am, welcome to Subway. What can I get you? Could I get an Italian sub? And on which bread? Do you have gluten-free? Yeah, of course.
What the hell is gluten-free?
Alright.
This ham smells like fart. Oh well, I'll still give it to her. Hehehe.
Alright, all set. And what kind of cheese would you like? Do you have goat cheese? No. Gouda cheese? Nope. Blue cheese? Who puts blue cheese on a sandwich? Me. Do you have the... Actually, we have a cheese special today. It's been fermenting in our basement for 8 months. Would you like to try it? No, I don't think... Okay, cheese special it is.
Oh, ho, ho. This is the moldy cheese that we had to throw out. Ho, ho, ho.
And would you like it toasted? Toasted? Ma'am, are you okay? Ma'am, would you like it toasted? Toasted! Ma'am, are you okay? Do, 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 do. I'm gonna get my toast. Do, 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 do.
What the hell?
Okay, I'm gonna assume that's a no. Oh. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. This happens all the time.
Why does this always happen to me?
And what kind of toppings would you like? Lettuce. Okay. Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Can I get more lettuce? I'm trying to watch my figure. Sure thing. That's perfect. Thank you, sweetie. And tomato. Tomato. And cucumber. Excuse me, what was that? Nothing. Nothing. Just cucumber. Oh, okay. And onions? Onion? Okay. Yes, onions. Thank you. Lots of onions. And can I get some jalapeños? It's pronounced jalapeno, miss. Jalapeños? Jalapeno. You're jalapeno. What else? Anything else? And some mayo and vinegar. Mayo? Okay.
Who puts vinegar on a Subway sandwich?
Alright, your sub is done. Here you go. Thank you. Hi. Hope you guys enjoyed that little skit I did. I was just having a bit of fun. Yeah, my acting is horrible, so don't bully me. I know it's horrible. It's time to dig into the mukbang and chow down. Let's chow down on some subs. I was really craving Subway, so, or subs in general. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. Oh, it's spicy. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. Am I focusing? This is what the sub is. That's phenomenal. I haven't had Subway in so long. I saw a lot of mukbangs with people eating like foot-long Subways, so I'm like, oh, I really want one. But I'm too lazy to go out and buy one. I mean, this is more this is more time consuming, but it feels better to know that you made it yourself, so. Mmm. Mm. Yeah, I just really wanted Subway, so might as well make a video out of it. It was raining yesterday. But now it's sunny. The weather's really weird. I think there was like tornadoes, not near my city, but close by there was like tornadoes, like 2 hours away from where I live. So that's scary. Oh, I hear my dog coming. My dog is staring at me as I eat. I don't know if it's just me, but I like to use a lot of napkins when I eat. Like every time I eat, I usually like wipe my mouth or wipe my hands. I just don't like goop on my face or on my fingers. So usually after we finish dinner, it's like everyone else has like, oh, 1 or 2 tissues, and then me, I have a whole mountain full of tissues. People are like, oh, why don't you just use like 2 tissues? Why do you need like 10? That's just me.
Also, I've been using less now, so it's okay.
I haven't had like this type of ham in a long time. Like, I don't know what this is. Oh, I think it's like mortadella or something, or capicola or something like that. It tastes like bologna a little. Also, you guys should comment more because I like to talk to you guys. I like to reply to my all the comments, so please comment if you want to. Only if you want to, though. During this quarantine, I only went to get takeout twice. And it's been 3 months. I'll eat this one too. It's a really big one. I've been trying to cook a lot more and saving money, which is good. I mean, everyone's saving money right now. But also, like some people during the quarantine, they like start eating junk food, which is me, but I try not to eat too much junk food because I'm also not like working out. Like some people, maybe once a day they do like a TV exercise to work out, but I haven't been working out since the quarantine started and the gyms aren't open yet. Whenever I like work out, I don't feel, at home I mean, I don't feel happy. Like when I go to the gym and work out, I feel more happy and like, cause I feel like I see everyone and they're all like, and I'm just like, at home like my dog bothers me and I don't feel happy when I exercise at home. Like it's just like all quiet and there's no one like motivating you. Like they're like hyping everyone up at the gym. But here it's just like I have no motivation to work out. And the stuff that I do, it's just like a TV workout, right? So I'm just like following what the instructor does. But I feel like it's like so tough on me. I've just been staying at home, walking my dog as well. But yeah, apparently the gyms will open next month. I don't think so. I feel like the gyms might open in like August or September. But yeah, I haven't been working out. Even though it's tough because everyone is just staying at home, so it's like easier to get snacks that's like readily available to like, oh, the kitchen's right there, let me just look in the fridge, and then you see the fridge and you see cheese and crackers or whatever, or like in the fridge you see like cake and you're like, oh, I'll just have one bite, and then you start eating, and then you finish the whole cake. I think I'm done for today. So, I'm done. Wow! This was a delicious sandwich, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as leave a comment below, because I will definitely reply to you. And I'll see you guys next time.